Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is really interesting. We're gonna talk about how to take care of your skin once you turn 30. So this is for people who just turned 30 or who are in their mid-30s. So I'm gonna talk about the skincare products, especially that I use because I'm in my 30s now, and there are a few products that I use every single day to take care of my skin. So I'm going to show it to you today. Let's start. So guys, as I told you, I'm in my 30s, and yes, I realized like a little late that I have to take care of my skin. So I started this when I was in my late 20s, like 29, 28 ke baadi, 29ish, when I started that, okay, yeah, now I can see a little bit of like smile lines and few lines here. So I thought I really need to take care of my skin. So before you turn 30, make sure that these are the few things that you take care of so that you don't get wrinkles. Wrinkles will, guys, you are going to age, but this will just reduce the process of aging. So I'm going to start with the video. So guys, let's start with the first step, which is cleanser or face wash. So face wash depends on different skin types. So first thing is to use a really nice mild face wash. There are a lot of face wash available in the market. Use something that suits your skin. So I use whatever suits my thing. It's a doctor has recommended me this face wash, but you need to use a face wash which suits your skin type. So if you have oily skin, dry skin, or combination, what I use is Ethiglow, which is really good. It helps my face. So first step, I've already washed my face, by the way, so you use a nice face wash. So the next step now is really important. This is for daytime, okay? So daytime I like to use vitamin C. So vitamin C is the first thing after face wash that I use. This is my daytime skincare routine. So this is by a brand called Cosmoderma. So I go to Cosmoderma if you have any acne, or my dermatologist is from Cosmoderma. So that's where I go. So she recommended me this vitamin C serum, which is great. So just take a few drops. You can see about 3 to 4 drops, and make sure your skin is completely dry. I'm not saying moist, it has to be completely dry. For vitamin C, your face has to be like really dry. So once your face is dry, just apply vitamin C everywhere. So this is like a really liquid consistency. So that's the vitamin C. So once you've applied this really well, I move to my next serum. So the next product is an acne blemish control serum. Again, this is by Cosmoderma. So it's not a sponsored video, but these are the products that I genuinely use because I had a lot of acne earlier and I have these marks, if you can see. So this will get rid of all the marks. This has really good ingredients. It has all these papaya, and then there's turmeric, and it soothes your skin, it brightens your skin and gets rid of all the acne marks. So I just take 1 pump. That's it. That's more than enough for your face. So after vitamin C, this is what I apply. Just 1 pump is more than enough for your full face. So vitamin C is done. Then my acne blemish control serum, that's done. So on some days this is what I use, and sometimes I also I do this alternately. So this is another vitamin C serum. Okay, so this brand is called Revona, and you know, they also have hyaluronic acid in this. So this is why I use this alternate days. So you know, Monday maybe I'll use this, Tuesday this is what I use. This has a really nice consistency. You can see a little thicker because it also has hyaluronic acid, which is really good for your skin. So this is also that I use, but now that I have applied the other vitamin C, I'm not going to apply this now. So this is another option which you can try. Next step, of course, you have to moisturize your skin. That's really important. Even if you're a teenager, in your 20s, 30s, doesn't matter. Very important to moisturize your skin. And for that, I use this. It's Emollient. I really like this product. I've been using this for a while. A lot of makeup artists use this. It suits a lot of skin types. I have dry skin, so it really suits very well. It doesn't make it greasy, but it moisturizes my skin very nicely. So the idea is you go from, you know, your ingredients that you're applying, I mean the creams that you're applying. So first go with your serums, and then you apply your moisturizer, and then is your sunscreen. So done with my moisturizer, let's move to my next step. Next step, obviously, it's sunscreen, which is really important. If you don't want all these fine lines, wrinkles, everything, you have to apply sunscreen, and this is what I use. It's the Lush Shield sunscreen. This has SPF 40. You've seen in a lot of my videos I use this. See, this thing is almost done. So yeah, apply good amount of sunscreen. It's very important. So just take my sunscreen, and even if you're at home, even if you're not going out in the sun, please guys, very important that you apply your sunscreen. This has to be in your skincare routine, especially people, we are 30 plus now. We really have to take care of your skin. So sunscreen is a must. Very important. So that's it, sunscreen done. So guys, this was my daytime routine. Now let's talk about nighttime. How do you take care of your skin at night? So once you're back from work, make sure that you use your face wash. It's very important that you wash your face twice a day with your face cleanser or face wash. Very important. Once you've done that, pat dry, you can, again, if you have a lot of acne marks, this is what you can use, the blemish serum that I use. So this is really good. Once you've done that, you can apply your moisturizer. Again, this is what I use at night also. If you are looking for an alternate moisturizer, like if I don't have Emollient, if I don't find it, this is also that I use. This also works well, it's great. So this is for top. It has olive oil and, you know, vitamin E and all. It's really good for people who have dry skin. So this is one moisturizer that you can use at night. It's a little more thicker, the consistency, than Emollient. I like this. And at night, now comes retinol. Okay, I've done a video on retinol. I've shown you how to use it. I've talked about it, but retinol is really important, especially, you know, for people who are 30 plus. We need to apply retinol to, you know, to delay skin aging, if I may say so. So then I have this really good retinol serum, and it has all the natural ingredients, and I use this every alternate days. So guys, retinol also is good for your skin, but don't overdo it. Use it on alternate days. And maybe one day I'm using the acne blemish serum, and the next day I use retinol. So the retinol that I use is this by Neemly. So this is the retinol serum. It is really good. Neemly has only natural ingredients, so I love this. How do you use retinol? So because I use this cream at night sometimes, so I'm going to show you how to use retinol. So I take a little bit of cream, face cream, a moisturizer, and then shake this bottle. This is the retinol. I take a few pumps, 1, 2, and I mix it well, and then I apply it on my face. So right now I have sunscreen, so I'm not going to do that, but here. So this is how I apply retinol. This is how you're supposed to use it, because don't directly apply retinol on your face. Mix it with your moisturizer, or apply your moisturizer first and then you apply retinol. This is what you're supposed to do. This is how you actually use your retinol. So that's it, guys. These are the products that I use. But also people who have a lot of like dark circles, or a lot of wrinkles near their eyes, I don't have it right now, so I am not applying or using any under eye cream. But you can also go ahead with namely they have a lot of under eye creams which are really good, so you can try one of their products. So this was my skincare routine, and these are the exact actual products that I use. No faking, there are no like endorsements or anything. This is not a paid promotion. So these are the actual products that I use on my daily life. This is what I use every day, and it works for me. And my skin is looking great now. There are no acne marks and wrinkles. Also, I had this smile lines which is kind of like fading away now. So I love these products. I think you should definitely try this. And once you turn 30, please make sure that you really take care of your skin. Please do that. You'll thank me later. So see you guys soon. Bye guys.